How to change your name on Skype. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change name on Skype. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change your name on Skype, you want to first open up Skype and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Once here, you'll see an interface somewhat like this. Now you can simply tap on settings, and under settings you'll see the option that says account and profile at the very top. You can tap on it and you can see your profile picture and your Skype name. If you tap on Skype name, you can see that you'll only be able to copy it but not change it. However, what you can do is simply head back, tap on your profile once again. Once on your profile, you want to tap on your profile name at there, and once you tap on it, here you want to simply tap on pencil icon, the edit icon that you can see beside your name, and now you can go ahead and change it. Now in my case, I just changed it, so I'm not being able to change it here. I guess I won't be. Let me check it real quick. Oh yes, you can change it. So you can change your username at the top, the Skype name, but you can't change a particular Skype name that will be given here. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.